Yo, what up? Flip, flip, flip. Just setting it all up. Setting everything up. Yo, what up, Corey? Dude, they're all running fucking deals today, boy. It is it's crazy. It's just so crazy. They're all like one comes out with a deal, the next one comes out with a deal. Yo, what up, John? Yeah, they're just spitting hot fire right now. I mean, it's just one deal after another deal after another deal. I'm just trying to there we go. Yo, my neighbor was getting arrested by ICE. He used code COVETRADER and got a bonus green card. Bro, that's amazing. Yo, I'm helping everybody. But that is probably the funniest one I heard. That's one of the funniest. Dude. You break your take profit trader curse? Well, you haven't been paid from them yet? Yeah, the deals are real nice this week. They got Take Profit Trader. That's the best deal that Take Profit Trader is going to run is 40% off. I got to adjust this thing. Is 40% off. They don't go more than 40 unless they take away the activation fee. So 40 no activation fee is literally the best deal they'll run. The only time I've seen them go better was 40% no activation fee. And then they sent you your eval money back if you got a payout. That was fucking wild. That was the wildest one. Boom, boom, boom. All right, I'm setting everything. I'm setting my whole workshop up here. Just curious if I went down to like I'm just back testing something. No, I'm just going to go. I'm going to put this back to where it was. All right. Oh, man. I'm going to be back testing a bunch of shiznick this week and documenting it. So we'll see what happens. Dude, that My Funded Futures deal that's going to launch tomorrow is legit. I mean, now everyone's talking about it because somebody posted it early on Twitter. But yeah. Yo, anyone trade pre-market here? I got to get all my, I'm still setting my stuff up. This is how long it takes me to set my stuff up, by the way, if you're wondering. I am literally still setting my charts and stuff up. I was wondering where you... Yeah, so what happened, Cody, is somebody posted on Twitter the deal. And because they posted on, it literally says in the email, do not post until July 1st. Literally. It's in bold. And then somebody posted it on Twitter, so now everyone's talking about it already. That's what happened. But yeah, starting tomorrow, you can only, it's only for one account though, so make it worth it. Whatever account you want, make it worth it. Yo, what up? What up, Matt? What up, Jay Styles? Good morning, BK. But yeah, it's only good for one account. So if you ever wanted to try a more expensive account, now is the time because you get 50% off. Oh. What are the benefits? I don't actually know, Matt. I've never bought any of the more expensive ones because I just look at the costs, to be honest with you. Like, to me, I have mostly starter accounts. They're the cheapest account My Funded Futures offers. You know, I just keep it real. The starter pluses are nice because you get no consistency. So I'm curious where the expert ones are. Like the expert's the more expensive one. No consistency rule. Destroy around. Honestly, bro, I'm sticking with the starter pluses. I'm gonna go starter or starter pluses. And that, you know, the fact that you could have 5 accounts with them is huge. Yeah. I would tell you that I'm probably going to stick with the starter or starter pluses. Good morning, Monet. Honestly, the benefits of the bigger ones, I'm looking at eval to live right now. I don't really know. I think My Funded Futures has like too many accounts. I don't think they need to have like starter plus, expert. Like, I just think there's a lot of accounts that they got. I almost need a spreadsheet to tell me which one does what. But I would say save your money, man, and do like a starter or starter plus for a cheap amount. You know, I'm just being honest with you. I want to see you get the best bang for your buck. So I would say starter or starter plus with 50% off is probably your best bet. Just keeping it reals. I mean, why can't you do 2 and 3, Cody, and then see which one you like best? I think each one of them is very good in their own thing. Like take Profit Trader, you can get daily payouts. There's going to be nothing that's going to beat that. From someone that took daily payouts for a while, I rode one account pretty fucking good. Take Profit Trader daily payouts is literally the best that you could do. I'm just keeping it as real as you can, but it's easier to get a payout with My Funded Futures. So I would almost do like 2 My Funded Futures accounts and 3 TPTs. Kind of spread it. You know, and then you kind of see which one you like the best. I mean, listen, at the end of the day, it's not really like which one you like the best because you're taking profitable trades no matter where, or you're taking unprofitable trades. So to me, it's more like other things. Like, do I want to try to shoot for daily payouts? Or, you know, yeah, like I don't even know what I have. Oh, dude, I got 2 evals that rebuild. Fuck, man. I got some rebuilds. I'm still going to pay 50% off and get that other account. Also, I have to be the only streamer that still shows Volumetrica. I used Volumetrica because I know that this is the My Funded Futures tab. Because I have to remember this is Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, My Funded Futures. It's just easier to have something different on the tab. Those guys just aren't as cool as me. That's the only thing I could think of. I don't know. So I think Volumetrica is great. No, it's just at the end of the day, it's just a spot for me to hit buy or sell. That's all it is. I hit buy or sell here. There we go. You know, I make all my decisions on TradingView. TradingView is the place. What do we got? What do we got? Actually, I meant to do 5. I meant to do. We'll just fuck. It is what it is. Yeah. 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 I don't know, man. I mean, obviously they don't want to release it. What's weird is they release it every day on Monday. Yeah. But it's only one account. So, like, They should have made it 3 accounts like they do all the other deals. I would have been definitely in for 3. 3 accounts would have been nice. 3 at 50 off. I haven't really been in their Discord, so I got no idea. Yo, 5 would have been awesome, man. 5. Now I'm just getting greedy, but yeah. 5 would have been great. About to slam this open here. Who? Man, I don't want to blow their spot up. I'll give you one hint. The person's name rhymes with Terry. I hope I didn't give it away though. Did I give it? I didn't give it away. Did I give it away? But yeah, it was posted and now everyone's talking about it. So it rhymes with Terry. Oh man. Let's go. Take me to the promised land here. Barry? That guy? Oh man. Crazy. Crazy. I think we're going to have a nice drift all week. All week, a nice drift up. Or watch us drift up like today and then dump it first day of the week, first day of the new quarter is tomorrow. I think they're holding it up no matter what. Today is being held up because they want to finish the quarter on a high note. My wife's out. My wife just got home. She's driving my Jeep. My Jeep's got like the full top off and everything, and she's fucking loving it. And I see her driving around in it. The only problem is she wants to drive it everywhere now. Tell her to pay for gas. Actually, I'm going to tell my wife it's you got to pay for it. Cash or ass. That's what I'm going to tell her when she gets in. You need to fill up the tank some way. Oh, man. Push it. Keep it fucking going. I got rebuild so hard. I'm going to have to do some crazy shit today to I'm going to have to do some crazy shit to pump this, to get some of these accounts up and over. Who's smashing the open in here? Anyone? Oh, no. What's Sean saying? I'm not going in. Come on, I'm in a trade. Keep freaking rolling here. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get paid. Nothing bad, just fun. Feeling cute, might delete later. Yo, Sean, you should post in the My Funded Futures TV. Ask if she posted something on Twitter that she shouldn't have today. Like, I'm just curious. Did you post anything on Twitter that you shouldn't have posted? Bro, they need to change the whole programming up, Cody. I don't know who's on or anything, but they need to change the whole programming up. That's just my personal opinion. There's just, they need to get the people going. And it's just kind of like, I don't know. Oh, look at this fucking pop. Yo. That's so funny, man. Yo, what up, Merlin? What's cracking, man? Starting the day off freaking green over here. Starting it off green. Dude, trying, man. I'm testing something today, by the way. I'm actually going to exit this position real quick. I have the two things up that I made the videos out over the weekend. I have them up right here. I am going to be testing this starting at probably 9:35, 9:40 is when I'll take the first indicator. Like, I'm not going to take it prior. Just throwing it out there. So I'm going to be split testing that today. I got some things I want to be split testing today, so we'll see how it all goes. I want to test it. I want to make a little video series about it. If there's something there, if there's nothing there, it could be something really good, or it cannot be. Who knows? Only one way to find out. Only one way to find out. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna rip the open. I can tell you that. Let's see what else we got here. Good morning, anybody that just came on the stream. Welcome, welcome. I hope you are having a green day so far. We definitely made 300 per account taking the kids to daycare. I mean, honestly, Merlin, you could be done for the freaking day. Like if those were PA accounts, you'd be done for the day. And that's what I like about this whole trading shit is you could be done. You can walk away right now and be like, oh, I made 300 in 5 accounts, which is $1,500 and be gone. So I'm not taking any of the signals for the first 5 minutes of the day. And then after that, I will start, I'll start doing it. Oh, I got, I got to do some other things. All right. That's not in anything. This is just in case I could possibly get in this. I don't think I'll be able to. Let's see what happens. Got some new 100. Ooh. I'm just curious. Who do you have the 100K accounts with? Free longs? I think we're going to drift up, Knob, all day. All day, every day. Nah, I think we're going to drift up today, and I think one of the days this week will be red. But listen, obviously news comes out. News trumps all. So, you know, if news comes out, it could make the whole week red. If Trump comes out. Yo, remember, July 9th is the China deadline. I thought it was later, but somebody said July 9th is part of the tariff deadline. I would watch out for that. I don't like this. This one normally doesn't open like this. Oh, I have 2 inside 15-second bars right now. Come on, I need a little red bar. Don't break the high yet. Don't break it. Don't break it. Don't fucking do it. Don't fuck. Yeah. Come down a little bit. Come down a little bit. Yeah. All right. Are we going to do it now? Ooh, we're not going to do it yet. We're not going to do it yet. I like it. Don't do it yet. Don't do it. Just wait it out. Wait it out. Wait it out. Ooh. It didn't break it. That's interesting. I like this. This is starting to be constructive here. No, I want it to trend up through. Oh, I don't like the downside. I liked it better up. I liked it better up. I made money in my other one. I'm just, okay. Dude, that's 100. That was 713, by the way. Yo, just smashing it. I smashed in a funded account. I have literally just been taking this funded account on opening range trade. Up again to 210. Done for the day in that account. Dude, that shit just works, man. I liked it better than the upside. When we were consolidating up here, I was like, oh, this is going to be money. But it wasn't. It definitely wasn't. Yeah, they still. I wasn't able to request it yet. Flip. They don't have. They still have like the payout windows. So I'm still kind of stuck in the. I haven't been able to request yet. So I'll request though. I'm only gonna flip micros in the account just to make sure I still have trading days. They want me to trade it. They want me to lose the money. I'm fucking not losing the money at all. They're going to owe me $2,000. They can suck on these nuts because I'm not doing shit until they send me my money. Their whole goal, not their whole, any of these prop firms, they want you to keep trading the accounts and then blow them and be like, oh, that's why they have payout windows. Because if you're out of the window, they don't have to pay you. And then, you still want to trade. Well, if you still want to trade, I'm good on that. I'm good on that one, man. The fuck? I'm just telling you that's what a damn knob. That was quick. Just remember, anybody that makes you sit there and have a payout window is probably hoping you blow it. So once you're past whatever it is that you need to get past, just flip if you can't, if you're allowed to, and that's it. Don't feel like I want to make more. Like, just wait until you get your payout. Once you have your payout, you can go make more. But I think everybody wants to be like, oh, well, I'm not in the payout window. And, what up, CT? I'm looking to take this long, by the way. Just throwing that out there. I am just waiting. Oh, CT, yo, it smashed in the morning. Just saying. It smashed. We made money on the opening. Super clean too. No drawdown, no nothing. I wasn't sweating it. I wasn't asking grandma for help. Super clean. Why was it clean? It just, there was no drawdown, no nothing. I'm not done with this. I'm just telling you, I'm not done with this. I'm watching on my other screen. If we break right here, I'm getting in. I'm worried about one thing, and that's it. I got my trigger finger right here. I'm worried about it not breaking the 9, which is this purple line. But we're hanging out in a fair value gap inversion, and I kind of like how it's playing out. You can always move up to break even if you want. Like right now, you can move to break even. Like I just moved to break even real quick. Push through. Fucking push through. Don't be a bitch. Push through. Come on. See, I didn't like that right there. I still like it to the upside. I still like it. Until we close below 33. Until we close below here, I like it. It has lost me. It has lost me. But that's why you move to break even, guys. Like, that's why, you know, we moved to break even. We moved our stops up. Like, you know, that's why I do it. Look at that. It still didn't close under. Damn, they just bought it right back the fuck up. That would have been nice move all the way back. It's still hanging in there. It's not an A+ setup, I could tell you that. A+ would have been right here, consolidate and go back up. If I get in, my stop loss would be 819. Just waiting it out. Waiting it out. Come on, man. Give me that freaking pushy McPusherson right now. Get over this. Get up. Get over 40. Get over 40. I want to get over this 40 line. Probably trade back up. If we trade back up, I'm going to move my stop up. What's up, Marie? I caught that fucker in some gains. You took it to Gainesville? Let's go. Get up. Man, they don't. This is going to fucking dump out. Nope, I'm out. I am completely fucking out. Fuck you, market. What am I down? Net. That's not bad. I make that right back up. Dude, you liquidated accounts in less than 10 minutes. What size were you playing? What up, Ted? What size were you playing? Dude, you had been playing 5 minis, 3 minis? Wait, what? I'm blowing accounts. It's not even my fault. Wait, what happened? Where are you using rhythmic accounts, Baba? I'm using rhythmic accounts on Quant Tower. I haven't had any issues. I've had 0 issues with Quant Tower currently. Is it using Motorwave? Is it a Motorwave issue? What rhythmic accounts are you using? Like, is it Apex? Like, which ones are we talking about? Only goes up unless I'm long. 5 micros blew 10 accounts. I guess you had to be in from up here. It's crossing under yesterday's high right now. That makes me only like it to the upside more. I don't know. It could just dump out. Let me Oh yeah, it did. Look, yesterday's high is 825. 825 is yesterday's high. That's interesting. Because if it gives it up, you might get a huge flush out, Marie. What do you think? Massive flush out? If we flush down here, I'm moving my stop to BE. I'm taking that. $70, made back half the money I lost. Also, we bounced right here. 1, 2, could be a third time. I don't want to get caught in that, taking $72 in 5 accounts. Turn. Got to be smart. Got to be smart. It could keep going down, but it also could bounce and I can lose my fucking profits and then be pissed. And then I go from down 140 to down 250. You know, that's how you start getting out of control days. When you're like, oh, I'm not going to take my profits because I want to make back, or I need this massive run. Like, you don't need the massive run. Take the $72. Market's been open for, 18 minutes and you're up 72. Like, yeah, I'm down, but like in those accounts, like I'd rather just take the money. And now I know I'm only down $80 instead of 140. Like, and if I was holding now, I'd be like, oh man, I just went red. Take the $70, take the $50. If you can do $50 three times, I mean, that's $150 in the 5 accounts. It's, $750. I'm good with that. Turning negative into a positive like Biggie. Yeah. But definitely definitely just kind of bouncing here constantly. It does look weak as shit though. The problem is you could. Do they hold 802? Sometimes it's good, but mostly it's sad. I like to move up. I like to just trail it, Marie. I feel like when I trail it, on the hourly, this is where we broke out. This was the breakout point on the hourly right around here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we find some type of support around here.
Order filled.
Did I just get in and they just completely, I literally bought at the top. I did just buy at the top. I'm okay with that though. Probability wise, you kind of had a tweezer bottom here where we went down and they bought it right back up. I should
Order filled.
This closed. That's where I made the mistake. I prematurely got in because see how it went down and then they bought it right back up. That was basically a tweezer bottom until they just sold it back off. And then they just wicked me. Yo, what up, Ron? Yeah, I like to move up to break even quickly. So at least I know I'm in like a free trade. And then I don't mind it moving around that much. See, see this purple line?
Order filled.
Don't follow that. Do not follow that. That's like a C. That's like a C setup, by the way. The reward could be there, but the reward could be there. My stop loss should be 802. Keep going. This one's got to be a green candle up. I just moving to break even. I want to see continuation to the upside here. Break over this and continue to possibly 31. If we can't push up, I obviously want to be out. So there's another $57. See, now my losses are only $33 in this account, and now this one has turned.
Order filled.
I just got that. See, like, I don't know. Not everyone trades like that. I am about taking profits. I would rather take, what up, Yassine? I would rather take 57, 75, $180 a couple times where I experience very little drawdown than trying to hold for the massive risk reward plays. Do I think this can go? Yes. I am still interested in this. I do the same thing. When do I know how to hold? I start pushing up my stops, Monet, where I can't get hurt. So, like, for argument's sake, this wasn't like a massive trade, but I want to see this candle finally break. See how we're unable to close above this? Finally, we close above this, right? I want to now see continuation over this candle and up. So I move to the, I move my stops up, because if this comes below, I don't want to be holding it. Too many people hold losers. But listen, like, if we start to run, I'll keep my stop here until we start to get around. Say, like, this candle goes up and now is touching the green or this red imbalance. I'll move my stops up to maybe right below this candle. So at least now I'm in for 50% gains, because I know that this is going to be resistance. So maybe it just comes down a little bit. And then if we push through, then I'm going to move my stop up to here. And I think we're going to then travel up to here, which is the high here. And this is the next imbalance. Then my stop would be here. And as we keep moving, whatever I think resistance is, I move right under there. You're getting a trend change here without a doubt. Do I love it? No. Do I, could it go up from here? Yes. Am I jumping in? No. What's up, Nao? What up? What up? Oh, my God. By the way, Take Profit Traders 40% off, no activation fee. That's their 4th of July deal. Just throwing it out there. See, like, before I took a shot. So, like, I took the shot here that we would continue. So now to make up that shot, I scalp a couple times, and now I basically made that shot back up. Now I can take another shot. So, yo, what up, Dell? Good morning, bum. It's just very weak. You're not really getting the exit velocity. Yo, that's tomorrow, Marie. 50. It's only one account, but it's still 50% off is legit. Yeah. I'm definitely buying it. 50% off. Yo, what up, Jack? Yo, I'm just going to get some water and put my coffee in the sink. Oh, okay. I'm back. CT back shot. What? Oh, getting my ass handed to me. Why? What's going on? What's going on, Jack? Are you getting chopped up here? This looks like we're unable to really go anywhere. Looks like it's probably going to roll over. Yeah. I will say the best setup was this V to come back up to the top. And the fact that we didn't get that, I'm kind of just... I'm just patiently waiting. I am waiting right now, and I need to find 2 accounts that I can do this test in. I am going to choose 2 evals that have shit amounts in them that I haven't traded yet today. So 94. Actually, I'm going to take this one too. 94 and there we go. 2000. All right. I'm going to use those 2 accounts, 1294 in my test that I want to do. In my test. So I am going to run 5 micros when it gives me a buy signal, and we'll see where this shit takes us. Does it take us to the promised land? I still can't trade the evil I locked. That's because, Marie, last night and today are still the same trading day. We haven't had a new trading day yet. New trading day starts at 6 p.m. today. Yeah, we're still riding the same one. You won't have 6 p.m. you'll be able to trade it probably. What'd you do anyways? You just went in here and locked out? What did you do it in here? Like, did you set a daily loss limit in here? I don't know where you like actually locked it out at. I'm just trying to figure it out. Yeah, where'd you lock it though? I don't know where the button is though. I don't know where the button is that you hit. You found a new button on Rhythmic? Oh, wait. You're on Rhythmic? What platform are you on Rhythmic with? What was the Rhythmic platform? I might take this, by the way. Oh, you're talking about Rhythmic Trader Pro? I think that's what you're talking about, Rhythmic Trader Pro. The one that looks like it was built in 1998? I kind of like this. If we come down to like 17 and then back up, I even like this because someone's gonna get shaken out right here on this dip. And I hope they bring it down to like 17 to suck shorts in and then bring it right back up. Yeah, I don't know what platform that's on. Because Rhythmic is just a type of account that you can use with like Rhythmic Trader Pro. Yeah. Yeah, I know. So you're using Rhythmic Trader Pro. I've used that in the past. Oh, look, see, this is what I wanted. That's exactly what I wanted. Now I want them to buy it back up, and this would be really nice. Sucking a bunch of shorts in, and then they pop it through. So dirty. So dirty. I'm holding. If they rip it now, that's a dirty fucking move if they rip it. Maybe it's just because I'm so long biased. What up, Jim? Yo, that sucks. Nah, I hope you can come back. That's crazy. That sucks though. Pump it. What the fuck was that? Pump it up, baby. What did I say? I was going to use 90, 94, and 2000. 94 and 2000. All right, so I locked in $40 right there, right? And now I'm at break even. I'm just watching. I probably shouldn't have fucking got out. I didn't like that they just sold it all the way off. I didn't like that the momentum just freaking died. What up, Max? Max Dark? Marie, I'm trying a new strategy just on Sim right now. The plan is to buy one micro at any random place and just check it once in a while. Yeah, who knows? Who knows? What settings do I have for the orb? It's the first 15 minutes and the first hour. Dude, it's going pretty good for me, man. How's it going for you? Just fucking push it, man. Let's go. Cove, do you know how to enable the line on your stop loss or take profit? What do you mean the line? Like this blue line where I get in? That was just 92 bucks. You talking about the blue line? All right. So this is one of those test accounts, just letting you know. This is a test account. These are both test accounts. Do not fucking follow these accounts. Yes, but for stop loss. Oh, like these lines that I have in here? See where it says ATM? I have this on and I have ticks, take profit, stop loss, and that's what creates these lines. I have stop losses in. It's ATM. What up, Rushan? Yeah. And now we wait and see, CT. Actually, I was fucking delayed because I wasn't paying attention to one of them. The other one just triggered now. The other one triggered just a little bit ago, but it is what it is. I'm in both. I'll just let it move around. I have the same setup, but it only shows the X line. The X, not the line. You're using ATM? Chart settings. turn on current positions, and then show order lines right here. Fills and order lines, show fills, show trade lines, all should be turned on. Click this button and then turn these on. Click this button, fills and orders, and turn all 4 of these on. Took the first bounce, was nice. Should be done for the day, but no way. Switching to the rebuilds from Bulenox. Yo, all good, man. That's what this is about. Ask questions. I'm here to help you. Some good old bull nuts. Trying, John. Trying to help everybody out. Oh, man. I got... Holy shit. Oh, my God. Dude, SoFi just ripped. How the fuck do I put in a... How do you put in a... I'm in Robinhood. Oh, sell... Yo, how do I sell in fucking... Oh, limit order. There we go. There we go. I don't think I've ever used a limit order in Robinhood. Jeez, this thing just ripped. But yeah, I'm right now, I'm just literally holding these two. We'll see what type of results I get with this stuff. I might, if one of these things works that I'm going to be making all these videos about, I might implement it. Well, I will implement it to my normal. Holy fuck. Dude, I'm up some serious fucking cash. I didn't even open my account today. What the fuck is going bananas here? Wow. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm here. This is what I'm looking at. I'll just show you. I'm up $2,700 and another 1,000 in my Robinhood account today. So I'm up 3,700. So I'm just but hold on. I think I'm getting a sell signal here. I am out on that. Don't follow. This isn't for you guys. This isn't a follow. This is, I'm literally testing something out. This has not given me a sell signal yet. If you watch the videos over the weekend, you see exactly what I'm doing. If you haven't watched the videos over the weekend, you should probably watch the videos. Actually, you know what? Where is this? I made a mistake, actually. Because you can't see the fucking lines. I gotta zoom in. The line actually didn't cross, but that's a human error. I had to zoom in. I'll show you what I was looking at. This candle, the white line looked closer behind it. So that's why I sold. And because the green line dark, I didn't fucking see it until I zoomed in like this and realized that we're still, technically it's still to the upside. So I'm just going to freaking get back in. I'm going to chalk this one up for human error. And that's it. The way you put your shoes on concerns me. Yo, how great was that freaking short video, by the way? Dude, I was making that. See, you got to zoom all the way in. You know. I'm all the way zoomed in now. Dude, I always get the fucking phone call when I'm getting smoked, too. I'm getting smoked. And it's like, would you still love me if I was a worm? Just wondering. And I'm like, what? See, now it just gave it to me. Don't follow. This is just me testing. This isn't my setup or anything like that. I'm literally just testing something. Yeah, I'm doing really good today. I'm just playing around with these two evals, testing out the videos I made over the weekend. I'm waiting for this to give me a sell signal right here on the Renkos. I was debating on moving the Renkos. Dude, what's weird is I move the Renkos to 30 seconds and you get less bars. I don't understand that. Down on the chop. Yo, anybody know how Renkos even work? I gotta look, because look, see how many bars there are from like 9:30. If you change it to 30 seconds, there becomes less bars, and it's just a sell signal. If I go to 15 seconds, does it get worse? No, but then 15 seconds is more bars. So weird. What up, Jan? I've never used Renkos in my life. Yeah, usually the higher time frame, the smaller the bars. But for whatever reason, you go from 1 to 30 seconds and you get less bars. I don't know. The Renko thing still has a long. What up, Chris? Yeah, so I'm entered. They give you buy and sell signals on it. Not when it turns color. They actually have a like a dot thing. They got like a dot thing, so I'm just kind of playing it off of that. It's weird because I have Renkos and Heikens, and I don't use either one of these on the daily, on the every day. So it's just interesting. This one is Heikens that's in short, and this one is Renkos that are in long, and it's two different things. I don't know how they calculate it. You can see right at the open, it was red. It turned the red sell signal, and then you got a green buy signal here, and we're still green until it produces a red sell. So I'm just kind of hanging in it. I'm not using it with any funded account. It's just with an eval I was rebuilding. So, don't fucking come yelling at me. I told everybody I'm testing something out. So don't be like, oh, I followed that piece of shit. I'm like, dude, I've said it 1,000 times. I'm just testing something out. I mean, it looks good to the downside. I mean, we're unable to make new highs here. See what happens. I mean, I don't think that this is a good trade setup in general. I'm not sitting here going, holy shit, this is looking good. Like, I thought it looked good right off like this. I would want to see continuation up higher. Yo, Garen, yeah, pretty much. Somebody's going to message me and be like, bro, I took that trade today when you said you were testing accounts, that you were testing a new thing, and I lost. And I'd be like, well, did you hear me 5 times say not to follow? What up, Lars? I mean, we're sitting in chop cité right now. I am by no means being like, yo, this is looking good. Honestly, you got more meat to the downside. I think the downside has way more meat to it. Oh, man. Stretch my back out. Oh. You know what's interesting that I find is, like, if you only buy 5 micros or 3 micros, I mean, and you hold, it comes back a lot of the time. Like, your position goes up and down a lot. I just noticed whenever I test this shit out, I'm like, Man, if you would have just held, your position comes right back. Not a lot of 90%. Baba, 60% of the time it works every time. Some people will be like, dude, you're just wasting accounts. I've tested things like this and I've taken them to a payout. That's how the whole big MOC thing started. We were doing it, and I literally did one account from scratch and took a payout with it. Only doing one trade a day. One trade for life, as every furu says on Twitter. One trade set up for life. I smashed MOC fucking every single day for like almost 2 weeks and got a payout. See, now it's I wonder which one is better. I feel like the Renkos let it move around while the Heikens. Damn, Baba. This is 12,000. Technically, we did not cross over yet. As you can see how fucking zoomed in I gotta be. That white line is not fucking crossed yet, so I'm just kind of hanging. Gotta play it by the rules. If we don't have rules, then what do we got? I'll tell you what, doing these types of tests keeps me out of doing stupid shit right here anyways. But the next candle is probably going to turn it up right here, I would assume. Yep. Yep. Don't follow this. Yo, that's right. Yo, if you guys didn't know, Take Profit Trader is now 40% off, no activation fee. They're running it for July. This is the best deal that they run. It's 40% off. It's the highest amount of percent that they give with no activation fee that I've ever seen. The highest I've seen was 50, but then you got to pay the activation fee. So this is literally the best deal that they're going to offer. They probably won't bring this back till Black Friday. Just throwing it out there because a lot of people are like, oh, I can't wait for them to bring it back. Well, they just did. So that's the deal. No more trailing either. What? Oh, what for funded accounts? Jack, for funded accounts or evals? No more trailing for either? Bro, that's wild. Yo, they just fucking skyrocketed to the fucking like that movie Best of the Best, bro. That's who they are. Remember that movie Best of the Best? That's who they fucking are. Best in the game. Take Profit Traders best in the game. Dude, remember that movie though? Best of the Best? Fuck yeah. No trailing. Holy shit. Dude, no more intraday trailing. That's no trailing for Pro Plus. That's wild. Oh, end of day only on Pro Plus. Interesting. Still, that's a big thing. Chris, what should I do about why is Tradeify shutting down 2 accounts that you had profit in? Chris, what's the issue? Why is that going? Why is that happening? I bought a couple Take Profit Trader accounts. Obviously, I had to. I might buy more. We'll see what happens. Hold on one second. I'll tell you right now. I'll buy 1 micro, right? I'll buy 1 micro. Let's see if there's trailing drawdown. See how it says 19? How would I know? Let's see what happens. I mean, something had to have happened, Chris. Like, what? They just randomly shut your account down and said you can't. Yeah, it's not trailing for that's cool. I made $24, but it's not trailing for the Pro Plus only. I just tested it. You were blacklisted from top 1 for no reason, and then all of them started acting funny. What'd you get blacklisted for? Like, there's got to be a reason. Like, are you using a bot or what are you doing? And if you don't want to disclose it, I understand, but there's obviously something that's happening. I would assume you're from the US with your name. I would assume US or Canada or UK, I guess, which shouldn't raise any flags. It's not like you're in like a, like, I don't know, fucking Nigeria or something like that. What were you were you burning a cow? I don't know what, something had to have happened. That's crazy, man. Did you screenshot it? Did you like? Yeah. No, I didn't lose any drawdown because so when I first bought that trade, Corey, it went against me real quick, and the drawdown moved. So it's not end of day for Pro. You gotta be Pro Plus. They screwed you. I would take screenshots and make a video, man, and post it on like Twitter and at them, and then I would hit up customer service without a doubt. I would send me a message on Discord, and maybe I can reach out to somebody over there and be like, hey man, like this guy got 2 accounts randomly outed. Like, what happened? If you want, if you want to send me screenshots, you can cross out your name or, personal information, but like leave the account number and I can just ask them and say, hey, what's the deal with this? Fuck me, man. I wasn't paying attention. This is me not fucking paying attention. See, I was reading the chat. This is the problem with testing this shit out is I'm not fully see, like, in theory, I should have been short at least 3 minutes ago, which would have been 1, 2, 3, would have been up. I'm not that far off. Maybe I'll just fucking they straight up lied a few times. Each time was BS. What was the accounts just weren't going live? Yeah, Sean. I mean, I'm not in anything. I'm just playing around with the shit that I did a video on. What's up, Richard? This is honestly worst thing that you could possibly do with these types of, these, I would say this type of strategy where you kind of follow this shit is built on moves rather than chop. So this would be like a worst case fucking scenario day, to be honest with you, for all of this. That's so weird. I mean, do you have screenshots of it, Chris? My back. My back. Dude, this price action is fucking rough. It is rough. That's a negative. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. If I had a guess, eventually we're going to dump. If I had a guess, we're going to trade like this, and then eventually it's going to just roll over. I bet you it rolls over come like lunchtime. All of a sudden, it's just going to roll. I'm not. This is just, I'm following some shit. So don't jump in here. I'm just fucking following something. Literally testing something out. That's all I'm doing. Somebody's going to jump in though and be like, yo, I fought, bro. Do you have it on a notepad, Sean, of everybody that talks about it? Oh, man. Just so you know, I'm not fucking BSing you guys. Up 1100, if you could see it. I don't even know if you can see it. What up, Discipline? What up? This price action is rough. Yeah. Yo. I'm literally just watching this because outside of that, there's no move to be made here. I mean, look how sloppy this is. You could see every single one of these inversions. Like, you can't play any of this. This is all shit right now. It's not worth anything at this point. I'm not playing any inversions or anything. It's all sloppy. You know, you want to get movement. You really want to see like a V. So you want like movement and then you catch it. You know, you want the V's. You want the V's. That's where it's at. I'm just playing around with it, bum. I'm playing around with it right now. Right now it's green and the Renkos are red. The Renko crosses to the downside. The Renko is to the upside. The Heiken crosses to the downside. But like, I wouldn't trade right now, anyways. But I definitely feel like the play is to the downside. The Renkos are about to turn red. Like, the bar is red, but the actual sell signal hasn't lit it up yet. So I'm just kind of watching it. I do think we're going to dump, though. If I was, I'm debating on taking an actual trade to the downside. Why do you need premium trading view? Just wondering. Why do you need premium trading view for it? If I was a betting man, which I am, we'd be going to the downside. Oh, you can't use Renkos? Ah, that sucks. I didn't even know that. I did not know that. I'll tell you what, doing this shit where I backtest, though, keeps me out of doing other stupid ass trades. You know, I would normally be like, oh, I'm going to go long, I'm going to go short. Like, I don't have to worry about any of that shit right now. It's kind of fixing, I get to watch the thing move around. I'm getting more water. I'll be back in 30 seconds. Thanks. Guess who's back? Who want to? Yo, yeah. Yo, Indicator works on candles? I didn't know that. Did you try it on candles, bum? Have you? I don't know if you can even put it on regular. Can you put it on regular candles? Hold on 1 second. No, it's got to be on Heikens. It's got to be on Hadoukens, not Hadoukens. Renkos. I don't understand how people use Renkos as fucking charting thing, man. Anybody in here actually use Renkos? What the fuck is, like, what is this? What? I don't even know what I'm looking at. By the way, I might take a short here, and my stop would be, I don't even want to ruin it. Maybe I'll do a 2 micro fucking play around. I'm just playing range to range here. Let's see if it sells all the way back down. You trade with Renkos, Renava? How do you, I mean, I guess you like it if you're using it. It's box size, not time frame. I do not know. Yeah. I get it. Dude, I'll take that quick. I don't know what the box size is. Let me look. Decay multiplier. It says method is tick, decay multiplier 250, detection 1, price smooth 2, Renko smooth 12. Yeah, that's it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm using a Renko. I'm using a Renko script right here. It's a script. I'm not just using Renkos. It's an actual script, like an indicator script. So I'm just using whatever this is. I think it supersedes whatever I put in here. No, I know it's not. I know it's not time frame, but I don't know. Whatever it is, it is. Oh, brick size 16. Yeah, I mean, listen, I've never really looked into Renkos because I'll be honest with you, it's not really my thing. But I'm playing around with this one script, and we'll see what happens. I will be sure to make a video about it. Dude, this looks like it just wants to dump. This looks like it just wants to, like, literally, like, we dumped, we bounced, and then we just fucking dump. The Hadoukens are definitely short. I'm waiting for Renkos to flip short. That'd be cool if it just flashed down and fucking grabbed me. Yeah, I mean, you got to have big stops here, Baba. You can't just have like you got to let it move. I'm cautious as hell. Just remember, we bounced a lot of times in this range. I'm taking my money. I'll keep scalping. Hey, look, 17, 27, what were that, $45 in 5 accounts? I'll just keep doing that. I'll just keep doing that. There's no, until I see a really good setup. My funded futures support blows today. Why? What's the issue? What's your problem? What's the problem like that you're having right now? You need my passing cert? What do you need? I'm just curious. What do you need the cert for? Do you just want it? You just want it to post it? It should be in the account. Oh, I think you're talking about the actual cert, like that shows your name on it that you passed. They didn't pass the account.
Order filled.
They didn't pass the account. It's all automated. Did you screenshot the thing and post it in the Discord? Their Discord? I would post a thing in the Discord. 1,000%. Man, I just fucking feel like this is going to get destroyed. I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit. Dude, what the fuck just happened here? Dude, this thing just went crazy on me. Yo, this Renko thing just went crazy on me. It's like it's not calculating it or something. What the fuck just happened? Show us the Renko. It doesn't look like it doesn't look like it just did fucking all morning. I don't know what just happened. They're eating the dogs. I have no idea what just fucking happened on this thing. Dude. Are you shitting me what just happened? I don't understand why that just happened like that. The whole thing just fucking changed. The whole thing just changed. I don't understand why it fucking just changed. What's it say? We not seeing that? Well, you can't see the whole. Then I can't trade if I put it on. Like if I put it on here, it looked completely different. It looked completely different just before. I don't understand why it would change. What the absolute fuck? I don't even know why it changed. I'm on the same screen. Dude, are they fucking teasing us or what? Yo, I got it to work over here. Hold on one second. Look, I just redid it. There, I got it to work over here. I am not sure why it's not working. Fucking dump it, man. Oh, just fucking unload it. Unload it everywhere. Are you not going to really just unload this thing to the downside? This will be the biggest dick tease ever if they don't drop this thing. That's what this is feeling like. They're not going to drop it. I'm getting teased right now. I just got teased. It is getting tight, though. If we come up a little bit more, I'm going to add 2 more. Yo, Take Profit Trader is getting fucking slammed. Everyone's getting those accounts. Why would you not, though? 40% off is literally the best they've offered since Black Friday. You know, if you trade with Take Profit Trader or ever wanted to, now is a great time to do it. That's how I would word that. You know, if you ever wanted to trade with them or do trade with them, the accounts are just the deal is the best deal you're going to get. So don't follow this. This isn't it's a non-follow.
Order filled.
Dude, that means this is still hanging out in the Renko thing. The Renko thing's been hanging out green this whole fucking time. What up, Mac Daddy? What up, PG? What up, what up? They told you to wait longer? Is that like Ace Ventura? If I'm not back in 5 minutes, just wait longer. Dude, this is fucking brutal. What up, DBT? Yeah, I mean, it's a good time to stack. Boom, 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 boom. I still think we're going down. I still feel like if they're going to break this down, but who knows? Who knows? I'm just about ready to get stopped out. So I agree, though. You start getting above here, it's probably fucking home free to the top. Oh, you're talking about, yeah, this trend right here? Yeah. No, I mean, it's definitely looking good. They had every opportunity to dump it, and they didn't. Yeah, I just got stopped out. Yeah, I don't. That could be. I mean, what are you looking at for that? Just wondering. I mean, I would we definitely broke out. I mean, I think it looks good. Uh I still think we're gonna sit and chop. How's that sound? Still think we're gonna sit and chop. Oh, look at that shit. Bro, I just got fucking top ticked. Can you get more top tick than that? How does one get more? Holy shit. How does one get more top tick than that? Look, I'd be all the way back fucking even. Fuck you. That's that's so crazy to me. I mean, this is bearish as fuck. Oh, I got top ticked in all these fucking accounts at the top. The top, the tippy top. Dude, that was. All right, hold on one second. Hold on. I'm not following this shit, and I need to be following this. Hold on one second. I'm probably going to get stopped out in this next candle. I'm just trying to follow something. How do I zoom in? I just use my mouse. I just scroll on my mouse. What's up, Almighty? Don't follow this. This is literally a test. This is a test account. This comes back up, I'm shorting it. I took this off. This was an actual trade. I just left it. Holy shit. I cannot believe that that shit happened to me. I got top ticked. I got fucking top. I got topped. Fuck. I can't believe that shit happened to me. I mean, right here is support. I mean, you're right at the bottom orb. Yo, My Funded Futures is great, man. I like My Funded Futures. I can't believe I just fucking got top ticked. It's a massive difference. It's a massive difference. Dude, this, I mean, look at the range that we're in. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we trade back up to the top again. Just keeping it real. This is really fucking shitty price action today. What you don't want to do is you don't want to get caught trying to short it in this pocket. I mean, you got the orb below us, you got 800. We bounced here before. You know, maybe they sell it down to like 794 and then rip it back up. So I am going to be smart about this and lock that in. And I'd wait for the next signal on that fucking account. I'm going to take a shot here. I think I'm going to take a shot somewhere that I think they're going to hold this area and bounce it. Let's see what happens. I just feel like there's no selling pressure. Like, I'm not sitting here being like, oh man, they're selling the fuck out of this. Like, until I get in. Then once I get in, they sell it. But yeah. Oh, geez. I just feel like they had a lot of opportunities to really dump it, and they're not. Look how slow the action is, too. For that reason, I feel like the sellers aren't really pushing it down, that you're probably going to play in the zone, and it'll probably work its way back up. And if not, I got a small stop. You know, just in case there's a Trump tweet or something, I get the whole thing. It is really good, man. It is really good. I grabbed a bunch. Dude, what the fuck is it? What's this on my fucking screen? Ah, there we go. There we go. I'm trying to just turn my shit back green. See, to me, that was the risk reward was just there. Like being that we're not, you kind of broke the bear, quote unquote, bear flag, if you'd call it a bear flag, but there's just no selling pressure. So you got to assume they're going to drift it back up. I like, listen, I'm just kind of talking out what I think, Monet. Like, we're in an environment of low volume. You have July 4th at the end of this week. I just feel like when you get to certain support levels, they had a couple times to dump it. They didn't. Do I really want to trade a lot in this environment? No. The answer is honestly not really. Do I think you could get some type of good action? Yes. Like, I got fucked at the top here. Literally, I got top ticked. If I didn't get top ticked, I would have made money. I probably would have covered down here, and then I would have taken that again. I think they're going to play this range for a little bit. It'll be interesting where they take it the rest of the week. But I think what you're going to have is you're going to have like one or two big moves for the day, and then that's it. I would reduce your size in half and make your stop loss double of what it normally is. So if you risk $200 on one mini, instead of doing 10 points, you do 20 points and do 5 micros. That's where I would say that I would be at. I think you're going to have to leave a little bit of room, more room than normal. But I mean, we're trading in like a 30-point range going on almost 2 hours. That's a small range. honestly, whatever happens also with these accounts I'm testing, I will probably retest the same stuff after the holiday. I only say that because this is probably the worst environment to test indicators like this. So these two I'm testing right now, and it's probably the worst environment that you could possibly do to test this. So, being that that's the case, I'll probably retest next week. When do we ever trade for 2 hours in a 30-point range? I'm not going to just push something that could be really good to the side. Bro, the trend is never my friend. Yeah, okay. By the way, Merlin, you just passed my funded futures? Or is this the my funded futures account? Oh, that they haven't put it over on? Have you gone to stats and looked it up, by the way? If you go to stats, you can then see they'll let you know if you passed. Go to stats for that account. Go over on the left, it'll say stats, and that will tell you if you fulfilled everything. Oh, well, I mean, $100. How hard could $100 be? Oh, dude, $100? Hold on one second. I had to pull something up. Pull something up for somebody that has nothing to do with anything, that needs some shit for my kids' camp. Oh my God, where is it? Kids' camp problems. Fuck me, man. Hold on one second. Let me just click on this real quick. My bad. I got asked to just send something over, and I'm just freaking trying to do it real quick while the market's just hanging around. This is rough. All right, back to this. We haven't freaking moved. Damn. Damn. What up, Bodine? What's up, Lars? Lars, you trading today? I still think we end up going down. I just feel like the trend is that we dump. I feel like we dump at some point today. Anybody else feel like that? It's just going to unload at some point. I'm in the risk it for the biscuit. Let me bring this up. The Heikens are still in short. So what is that? 94? I don't know. Renkos are still long. Heikens are short now. Yo, clean. Did you catch the opening? See? Oh, you missed it. Yeah. You said you missed it. Dude, I made money off the opening today, and I was like, yo, this is going to be a great day. And then we haven't gone anywhere. What up, DBT? Some knucklehead scheduled a meeting at 8 a.m. Of course, the rest jeez. Yo, tell that guy he owes you. CT. Tell him he owes you. Like, bro, you know what you owe me right now? Send him an invoice. Like, yo, you owe me accounts. Dude, this is so rough. The highlight of my day is just watching. See, we haven't crossed in a while, so I'm just waiting to see if we end up crossing here or not. I can't see because the fucking candles are in my way. I almost want, if there's a way to take the candles off so I can just see the freaking things. See, so that's 1,200. Don't follow this. This is not to be followed. The Renkos have been long this whole time, basically. See the green? You got the green buy, and it's just been hanging around. You can right click. What? Hold on once. Hold on 1 second. Dude. I'm going to need to the fuck? Yo, where do I right click on it? Where do I right click? Right here? Oh shit. Bring to the front. Yo, you ain't kidding. That works. Oh, dude. That's awesome. That's so much easier. Yeah, I just did it. Look, see, now you can see it. Oh, baby. I'm like a new man now. Dude, that was awesome. Yeah, so now it's so much easier for me to see this. Merlin for the win. Bro, you ain't kidding, man. That's great. Oh, stretch my back out, man. Yeah, dude, this is just like, honestly, so back in the day, I would probably peace out if I was trading just options. This is a great week to just suck premium out, by the way. Look at that day. Boing, oing, 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 oing. Actually, and I got another 1,000 in Robinhood. Holy shit. I didn't realize Bull was up. Wow. Dude, that's awesome. Are they going to reject it? Do we bounce? Dude, I don't know, man. I think if you can get above here, we will run all the way back up to high a day. It just gets rejected every time. We're right there. I don't know, man. I mean, I'm not getting long here. Lots of green on the board. Yeah, man, I've been having a good day. The only accounts that are red are these two test accounts. I'm literally this is the Renkos and this is Hikins, and that's it. Other than that, I think I've. Oh, no, this is red. And I'm about to take a loss right here, but we'll see. I mean, listen, it could definitely go. It could definitely go. No, not today. Who knows? I will say this has been basically the line in the sand. I mean, who knows? Anybody getting anything good for lunch? What you guys getting for lunch? Let me see what my wife's doing for lunch. Shrimp fried rice. Dude, that sounds good, Maximus. Dude, ramen noodles? I like ramen. There's a ramen place by me. You throw some shit in there, man. Ramen's awesome. Chips and fruit? Is that some type of diet? Just chips and fruit? Although I love chips and I love fruit. Feeling tacos? Taco Wacos? I'm actually going to place an order now so it'll be ready in time. Let me ask the wife if she wants something real quick. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Salad place it is. Holy shit. Fuck me. Yo, I ate tacos yesterday, man. Tacos? Woo! They were so good from this new place. I almost got top ticked again. Holy shit bags. It might still go up, though. I actually like this now that we're breaking out of this. I might buy this with a stop. Like, my stop would be like 33. I'm just looking for my other chart. Push it to the limit. Come on. I want to go all the way up to the... I want to go to the fucking moon. I want the moon, baby. They're going to bring it right back, and I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it again. I'm still in my other account. Keep going. Keep fucking pushing. Keep pushing. I have a feeling it's going to come back to 41, though. I have this weird feeling. Where did I don't understand. I don't understand where my fucking Dude, I'm gonna have to dig. Oh, here it is. It's on my keep going. Keep fucking going. Need to make some money back on these things. Jeez. Cool. That most definitely did not work. I don't know why the thing fucked up here. I'm trying to figure out why my Renkos are fucked in this other account. I don't understand why it is like this. Why is it so good? Was that 14.5? It's the same shit. Same shit. Why is it so bad? Why does it look like that? Anybody know why? Look. Renko. And then I go to here. This is what it looked like before. This is what it looked like before. And now this is what it looks like now. And I didn't fucking adjust anything. I didn't change one thing. But this is what it looks like now. Versus this. This is what it should look like. I don't know what happened. It's part of the settings. I didn't even click anything, though. What? Where's the settings do I go to? I didn't even edit anything. I might just see if I could. Oh, you know what? I think I could do something cool. I just bring the Heikens over this other chart and just I don't have to run two charts. Hadoukens! Indicators. There we go. Let me switch the color to this, to that. Boom. There we go. I fixed it. Now is the question. I am not going to take profit. I am riding this to I don't know. What do you ride it to? I guess I ride it to like a one red candle, I guess. The first red Renko. And then I go back long if it goes green. Probably what I would do. Yeah. I'm going to ride this until I get a red Renko candle. And then same thing with this. I'm going to do this until I close. I think it was what did I say? It was a close below. If I get a red close below this 9, I'm out. Bro, to the fucking moon, baby. I'm going to go meet Elon on the moon. Hey, man, this is about to turn this thing green. I actually like the Renko thing, dude. I kind of like it. I would probably take it off no matter what if we reach 74. How's that sound? Because I know. Yo, later, Merlin. I hope your thing gets situated. If you don't get situated by the end of the day, let me know, and I'll message the guy that I know over there to get you fixed. All right? Let me know by the end of the day. If not, I'll message somebody I know over there to look into it, all right? Yeah, I just want to let you know. I just want to put it out there that if you don't get it fixed by the end of the day, I will email somebody for you. Oh, man, this is crazy. Man, we going to the moon here. I mean, it's just grinding on this. I kind of like this thing. I can't believe it kept me long the whole time. VWAP. This orange line is VWAP. I'm using CE VWAP. Only need a hundy more, baby. Only need a hundy more. Oh, market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Come on, baby. Keep pushing. I want to see at least 69, 70, 75. I don't see why we couldn't get up there. Yo, poker, it only goes up, bro. People being silly, thinking it goes down. Whoa. I'm just watching. Oh, baby. I'm just watching. To all-time highs, man. I'm waiting for the close of below the 9 of red. It's got to be a red close below 9, and I'll exit. Just trying to stick to the rules, people. The rules. I hope I got a good lunch, man. Am I going to exit here? Exit. Exit. Close below. The Renkos have not closed a red dot, so I have to literally stay. Oh, it just closed a red dot. 94, and we're out. If the Renkos go green, then like a dot goes green, I'll go back in because we're still in the buy, and the dot goes. I don't know. I gotta look into this. I like this though, bouncing off here. I don't know what my rules would be to get back in. Like, I don't really know what the rules should be to get back in. How's that sound? Because if I played this shit that I was telling you before, like I get out every. No, I guess it would have kind of worked. I don't know. It would have been iffy. Like, I'm just looking to see, like, oh, I get out at red, I get back in green, you know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to have to look at this shit. Jaden, we pumping? I don't know, man. More like dumping now. I was hoping we would pump. I was hoping. I mean, this has been the most. Yo, as soon as I shut this stream off, Sean, it's going to rip or dump. I can tell you that right now. As soon as I jump off. As soon as I jump off. All right. If you guys didn't know, Take Profit Trader is now 40% off. No activation fee. Just letting you know. That is a good fucking deal. I am going to grab some lunch. I will be back at 2 o'clock. We'll do some giveaways. We'll do some other stuff. I'm going to keep testing these indicators I got. And that's pretty much it. I don't want to get chopped up. Tell how long? To at least 4th of July. So you got to July 4th to do the Take Profit Trader deal. Coupon code COVETRADER if you want to support the stream. I'll be back at 2:15. I'll probably hang out in the Discord. if you got any questions or anything like that. Otherwise, go touch some grass. Go get some ass. I don't know. Enjoy your lunch. But hopefully they push it here. All right. I'll be back in a little bit. Peace.